Hi guys, we're out today in my own van. These nights are getting a bit darker now, so I thought it was about time I upgraded the lighting system here in the van. So what I'm opting for today is fitting these Stebby work lights. So the first thing I've done is mount them where I wanted them. What's actually really good about these lights is that they don't have wires coming off of it that you have to solder into. They have these DT connectors here. So let's get some of those connectors made up. So for this, I've got the connector bit itself, the pins, some wire, and these laser tools, multi-purpose pliers. Fantastic bit of kit there. You can see I've got the waterproof seal on there, but I also need to get green stay, which we will come back to. So with those laser tool pliers, I've bent the ends here, and these ends are going to sit inside these pins here. With them pinned like so, give them a good yank, make sure they're nice and solid. And then with that plug pinned, a bit of lume tape on there, with this green stay in there that holds the pins in place. Just push that down, and we're ready to slot it in. So what I've done is I've left a little bit of wire hanging here, and then I've looped it up into the trim up here, clipped it in, ran it all the way down the trim face, and then wired it in to the back of this panel here, and then it comes on with a switch. So then you can turn it around and light up the inside of the van, back out to the customer's vehicle. Tuck it up out of the way. So now I can see it night time.